Marlo, na-inlove ka na naman sa akin na. Ikaw iba na yan. Masyado ka na-attract sa akin. Taka may gayuma kasi ako Parang magnet. Pag ano dito, mapapastay ka, ganun. Good morning, Sanchez. Sorry. Memay.
You chocolate just how I like it, promise I won't bite it. I see you get excited when I put this tip inside. I like the way you write it, I show me it look like seven, just like 5-0. I got 5 just like domino. I put the bitch, I put her out, I tell her mama no. You know it's time to go. Pull up on bourbon, I might drop the top. Ooh, my bitch ain't no barber, she a chocolate drop. Ooh, got a lot of money on me, lot of money on me.
So why to me? Why you're ready to give me $5,000 just to meet me? Huh? Why me? If you are not like that to anyone, why me?
You drive me crazy. We gon' fuck all night, you drive me crazy. I'm about to talk with my new babe.
Lol, Roberto, suga. Roberto, nagpalit na ako ng color ng hair. Gusto mo ba? You like it? Back to black hair na.
I told her you could do better. Fuck it as long as you get it some cheddar, baby, go bow well. I'll drop that top on that.
Marco,
I'ma spend a few dollars on you. I can't let your girl, I gotta make this move.
Moni, good boy. Sana masarap yung tulog nyo, ganun. Really? You in love? Damn. Okay, give me an amount. Give me. Let me see if I'm interested. Oh yeah, hello. Let's light up Skechers. Ang ganda mo. Skechers, you like me, my bushy shoes. If you show me your boobs. Baby. Send me then and I'll meet you. Mabilis ako kausap eh. It is a Rob. It's just Bailey's, you know. Papi. Josh, hello. Pukuta. Puso drip. Walang puso din. Natataklo ba na ng bilbil? Nawala yung puso. Mm-mm. Lights up like up Skechers. You're so beautiful. Ah, thank you. Ay, nauto niyo na ako, ah. Masyado niyo na akong binobola, ah. Hindi maganda yan. Baka maniniwala na ako. What do you mean? Yeah, but living in France, looking for a wife. You're looking for a wife? I'm looking for a sugar daddy. I can be one. Really? Can you be my sugar daddy? Are you going to spoil me too? I'll spoil you if you're going to spoil me, you know? Yes. Kumusta po po? Ano ba boxing ka ngayon sa Okay, that's not a problem. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Goody. Why you're laughing? There's nothing funny. My goody daddy for another platform. Ibang babae ay kayang sumabay. Go. Okay, I'm not going to say anything. Don't worry. She's so good at kissing. That's why they call me a queen of kissing here in Bigong. That's why, Daddy. Right? It's cluster. Our total now, maybe like for 50%, there's like 40% doing that. Right now, maybe or maybe not. We never know. And so, oh my god, Daddy, stop it. What are you salsal for? My face? Oh my god. NJ. Pupululu. Diba? How did you know the salsal? Huh? How did you know that? Na, nalasin agad ako. Nalasing agad ako pag hindi gumagalaw-gal. Meron ditong what the fuck. Titigan niyo lang ako, ganun. Titigan lang tayo dito, babe. Hi, handsome.